Hi, my name is Brianna Leonard. First off, I'm going to take roll. Jameson.
Here.
Denise.
Here.
Okay, so our standard for today is representing addition and subtraction with objects, fingers, drawings, or sounds. Our SLO is by the end of this video, students should be able to add and subtract by using objects, fingers, drawings, or sounds. Our vocabulary words are adding and subtracting. Adding means to find the total number of two numbers, and subtracting means to find the difference between two numbers. So we are going to start off by adding with objects. So I'll do the first two, and then y'all can do the other ones. So on the first one, there is 3 brooms plus 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. With the snails are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. Can someone do the next one for me?
There's 2 pliers. Plus, can you tell me what that circle is?
The circle is a 0 and it has no value. So when you add whatever the first number is plus that is the first number. So you said the first one was 2. So it would be 2 plus 0 would equal 2. Okay, can someone do the fries for me?
It's 1 fry plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That'll equal 8.
Okay, will you recount them for me again and make sure your answer is correct?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your answer is 7.
Good job. And someone want to do the telephones for me?
There's 4 plus 4. And the answer is 8.
Good job. Good job with adding them all together. Now we're going to move on to subtraction with objects. So I'll do the first 2. This one is 2 minus 1. And with subtraction, you just use the first number basically, and you take the second number away from it. So the second number is 1. So you just, how I would do it, you just mark out the first one, so you only have 1 left. And this one is 4 minus 4. So there's 4 on this side, so you mark out 4 on this side, and you have none left. So that is 0. A number minus itself is 0. Someone want to do the houses for me?
There's 6 houses minus 2 houses.
So what would
that'll be, you mark out 2, and that'll be 4.
Good job. Someone want to do the horses for me?
There's 8 minus 4.
Yes. What would you do next?
Mark out 4 horses.
And how many do you have left?
4.
Good job. And one more person do the fish.
There's 6 minus 3.
So what would you do next?
You would mark out 3. And there'll be 3 fish left.
Good job. Good job with them. Now we're going to move on to adding with our fingers. So I'll do the first couple. So the first one is 1 plus 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first one is 4. The next one is 2 plus 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. So the answer to that one is 5. Someone want to do the next one for me?
It's 4 plus 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good job. And the next one?
It's 3 plus 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good job. And one more on this one?
There's 5 plus 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good job. Good job with them. Now we're going to move on to subtraction with our fingers. This one can be a little bit harder, but we can do it. So the first one, on this one, you would just hold up the first number with your hand. So you have 5, and then we're taking away 2 from whatever we have holding up with our hands. So we take away 2, and the answer would be 3 for this one because we have 3 fingers left. Next one, I'll hold up 3 fingers, and we're taking away 1. So we have 1, 2 fingers left. So our answer would be 2. Someone want to do the next one for me?
You have 5 at first, and you take away 4. So you have 1 left.
Good job. And does someone want to do the next one for me?
You have 7.
Mm-hmm.
And you take away 3.
Mm-hmm.
You're left with 4.
Good job. And one more.
You have 8. You're going to take away 1, 2, 3. So you're left with 5.
Good job. So now we're going to be adding with drawings. So I'm going to write out a few problems and I'll show you how to do this one. So the first one problem is 2 plus 1. So you'll draw 2 dots on this side and then 1 dot on this side because there's a 1, and then you add them up, 1, 2, 3. So your answer would be 3. Next one problem is 4 plus 3. So you draw 4 dots on this side, 3 dots on this side, and you add them up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your answer is 7. And someone want to do this problem for me?
You have 2 dots
Mm-hmm.
plus 3 dots,
Mm-hmm.
and the answer is 5.
Good job. And then we can do the next problem can be this. And will someone do that one for me?
You'll do 3 dots and 3 dots.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2. And the answer is 6.
Good job. One last problem. Someone want to do this one for me?
You have 6 dots
Mm-hmm.
plus 7 dots.
Okay.
And the answer's 13.
Good job. Okay, so we are going to move on to subtraction drawings. And I'll do the first couple and then y'all can do some. Okay, so we can do 2 minus 1. So on this one, we will just draw the dots under the first number. So there's 2 dots, and then whatever the second number is, we mark that many dots out. So it's 1, so we're just going to mark out 1 dot. So our answer is 1. Next one, 3 minus 2. So we will draw 3 dots, and we're going to mark out 2 of them. So again, we only have 1 dot left. Okay, someone want to do this one for me? Tell me what to do.
You'll have 4 dots.
Mm-hmm. What do we do
And
next?
you'll take away 2 of them.
So how many dots do we have left?
2.
Good job. Okay, someone else want to tell me what to do on this one?
You have 5 dots.
Mm-hmm. What do we do next?
Take away 3 dots.
And how many do we have left?
2 dots.
Good job. And one more. Let's do... So someone want to tell me what we do first?
You'll have 7 dots.
Mm-hmm. What do we do next?
And you'll take away 4.
And how many do we have left?
3.
Okay, does everybody understand that one, or do I need to do another one?
I got it.
I got it.
Okay. So now we're going to be doing adding with sounds. So for this one, we're going to be clapping for our sound. So for the first one is 1 clap plus 2 claps. And if you count all your claps together, that is 3 claps. So for the next one is 3 claps plus 3. So that would equal 6. Someone want to do the next one?
You have 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 2. And that's 7.
Okay. Do you want? That's not correct. Would you recount your claps for me?
Six.
Good job. Okay. Someone else want to do the next one for me?
You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 2, so that'd be 6, 7.
Good job. And one more. Someone want to do the last one for me?
You have and the answer is 10.
Good job. And I'm gonna clap, and y'all tell me how many times I clap, and then I'll write that down, and then we can add them together. How many was that?
3.
Okay.
4.
And what does that equal?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good job. Okay, now we're gonna move on to subtraction with sounds. So we're gonna have 2 claps minus 1, so that would be 1. The next one is 4 minus 2, so that would be 2. Someone want to do this one for me?
You have 5 minus 3, so that'll be 2.
Good job. And someone want to do the next one for me?
You have minus, and that's 2.
Good job. And someone want to do the next one?
There's 1, 2, 3 minus 1, so that'll leave 2.
Good job. And then tell me how many times I clap, and then we're going to subtract the 2 numbers.
5.
Okay, I'll clap one more time, and tell me how many times I clapped.
4.
Good job. And someone else, how many times I clapped this time?
3.
Good job. And what does 4 minus 3 equal?
1.
Good job.
She didn't clap.
Would you like to clap for us? Good job. Okay, so now I'm going to let y'all watch a little video that I have put together. Thank y'all for watching and participating in our lesson. I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Bye.